Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Let us see this question. Find the least number which when divided by 5, 6 and 8 leaves remainder 3 but is divisible by 9. Okay, before we proceed to this sum, let us first understand the concept of LCM and HCF. How to find LCM and HCF. LCM is least common multiple. HCF is highest common factor. Since it is multiple, the number which you get will be always bigger. HCF, since it is a factor, highest common factor, the number which you get is smaller number. And find its uh, LCM and HCF. 5, 6, 8, we will find LCM and HCF. Okay, that means LCF value is always greater than HCF value. So whenever we are finding LCM or HCF, we have to write each number as product of prime numbers. Already 5 is a prime number. 6 can be written as 6 can be written as 2 times 3. Okay. 8 can be written as 2 cube. Okay. Same way, here we will write 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So, LCM is common factor with highest exponent. Okay. So, here we have numbers 2, 3 and 5, right? Total. Here we don't have 2 and 3. I can write it as 2 power 0 into 3 power 0. Yes or no? 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. 3 power 0 is also 1. Same way here, I don't have 5, so I can write it as 5 power 0. Here, I don't have 2 and 3 and 5, I will write it as 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. Okay, same way I am writing here. Okay, 2 power 0 into 3 power 0. Here 5 power 0. Here I will write 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. After you write it as product of prime numbers, let us find LCM. LCM is common factor with highest exponent. Now if you observe 2, highest exponent is 3. That means 2 cube we have to write into. In 3 if you see, highest exponent is 1, right? So 3 power 1 is nothing but 3 into here we have again 5 power 1. So 5. So 2 cube is 8. 8 times 3 5 is 15. It is 120. So LCM is 120. Now let us see the HCF. HCF is common factor with least exponent. Okay, because it is factor. Here it is multiple. Okay. So now let us see here 2 power 0, 2, 2 cube. So least is 2 power 0, which is nothing but 1. Okay. Next, again coming to 3, 3 power 0 is least exponent, right? 3 with 0 exponent. Next into 5 power 0. That means 1 into 1 into 1. That means HCF is 1. Okay. That means 5, 6, 8 are divisible only by one table. If you see in 5 table, you will be getting 120. In 6 table, you will be getting 120. And in 8 table also, you will be getting 120. That is the least common multiple. Okay. So LCM value will be always greater than HCF value. Okay. Let us go back to this question. Find the least number which when divided by. So you are finding the least number which should be divisible. That means we have to find that least common multiple that will divide 5, 6, 8. But they have given a condition which leaves remainder 3 but is divisible by 9. Okay. We have to take the LCM for such questions. LCM is 120, right? So the general form for solving such type of questions is that let the required number be x. Okay, let the required number be x. Then how to find x? X is equal to LCM. Okay, LCM into some constant that can be any positive real number plus what is the remainder here? Remainder is 3. Okay, remainder is 3. This is the general form. So now keep the values of k in such a way that the final answer is divisible by 9. Let us see. If we put k is equal to 1, we will get 120 plus 3, which is 123. It is not divisible by 9. Let us take 2. K is equal to 2. 120 240 plus 3 is 243. Let us check. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9. It is divisible by 9. Therefore, 243 is the required number. 243 is the required number. We can check. If I divide 243 by 5 eights are 40. 3 is the remainder, yes or no? But is divisible by 9. Same way you can check 243, 5, 6 and 8, right? 6, 6 fours are 24, 3, 0. So 3 is the remainder. Same way 8 also you can divide and check. 8 threes are 24, 0, 3, zeros are 0. That means 3 is the same type of one more question. Find the least number which leaves remainder 1 when divided by 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. These are the numbers and is exactly divisible by 7. Least common multiple. If we have a number that should be divisible by 2, that should be divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us find the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So 2 can be written as 2 into 1, 3 can be written as 3 into 1, 4 can be written as 2 square, 5 is again a prime number, 5 into 1 or 5 you can write, 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So we have just now discussed common factor with highest exponent. Okay, we don't have 2 here, so I can put 2 to the power of 0. So highest exponent is 2. So LCM will be 2 square into among 3. Definitely 3 power 1 will be highest exponent, right? So into 3 into 5. 5 is over here. So all the other numbers I can put it as 5 power 0, right? So we will be getting 5. So 2 square is 4 into 15 is 60. Let the number be x. The required number is x. So general form can be written as LCM into some positive integer. Okay. Plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Okay. Now we have to try and check what is this k so that the final number is divisible by 7. Okay. If we put k as 1, we will get 60 plus 1, 61. 61 is not divisible by 7. If we put 2, 62 is 120. 120 plus 1 is 121. 121 is not divisible by 7. Like that, you please check. K value, let us put 3. We will be getting x is equal to 63 is a 180 plus 1 is 181. No, it is not divisible by 7. Next, I will put k as 4. We won't get much numbers. It is easy only to get the answer. Okay. But you should be quick in calculation. That's it. X is equal to 241. Again, it is not divisible by 7. Next, let us put 5. 60 into 5, 300. 300 plus 1 is 301. This is divisible by 7. Children, I hope you know the divisibility rule of 7. For divisibility rule of 7, double this number, okay, and subtract it from this remaining digits, okay. So 301, double of this number is 2, right? Now subtract 2 from this number, okay. 30 minus 2 is 28. 28 is divisible by 7, right?